Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send low quality image on iPhone. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your settings, then you scroll down and tap on the messages app settings. Once you click on it, then you scroll all the way down, then you're going to have another option which is low quality mode. This actually helps you to send image with low quality mode. So once you click on this like this, once you click on this option which is low quality image mode, any image sent to from your iPhone in iMessage or image sent will be on low quality mode. And if you don't want that, you can simply turn it off. It's quite easy, just turn off, and that's how to send low quality image mode or send image low quality on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.